multipurpose and political plants government in Chile. Despite the statements against desalination that President Gabriel gave in the beginning of his mandate, the panorama of the sector in Chile is optimistic regarding the will of the government to double the use of seawater as a source to supply the mining industry and extend it to agricultural and drinking applications. Alider supported the statements of the Minister of Mining, Marcela Hernando, in which she pointed out that by 2032, more than 50% of the consumption of copper mining will come from the sea, and they were made available to government institutions for technical and regulatory support in the transition to alternative sources, such as desalination and reuse of water. The statements were made in the framework of the Third Sustainability Conference for the mining industry, organized by Sustainable Report, in which Ivo Radic Vigaflow, representative of the Association for Chile, participated with a presentation that detailed the relationship between mining and water and the importance of desalination in a context of water scarcity. He added that this type of project supported by Alider constitutes one of the most important solutions for water scarcity in northern Chile, should have transversal support in their procedures, since they are capable of responding to the water demand of various sectors of society jointly. He explained that the multipurpose plants would be part of the materialization of the government policy expressed by the minister on using shared infrastructure for adaptation to climate change and the water crisis. It was commented that Chilean mining will continue to demand more water, both due to expansion of operations and changes in mineralogy, and that the best way to satisfy this demand is with desalination. Since the industry has already reached a very high level of efficiency, with the reuse and recirculation that, on average, exceeds 72% of the water that enters the tasks. The direct use of seawater or desalinated water in mining processes is fully validated, and in most cases, the use of seawater in mining operations is economically viable, even when they are far away and at high altitudes. He added. Finally, he reiterated Alider's willingness to work together with the executive branch as a technical consultation body, and with the legislative branch to advance regulations that ensure good practice in desalination, at the same time as its timely development as an essential tool for adaptation to climate change.